Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your serial number and IMEI number on your Apple Watch. So, quick disclaimer, this is going to work on all the Apple Watches, so it really doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it is all going to work the same. And the IMEI number is only available on the GPS plus cellular option on the Apple Watch, because the IMEI number is the number type of serial number of device that has the cellular option. So I won't have the IMEI number right here because this is only the Wi-Fi option. But if you have GPS plus cellular, you're going to find it in the same place. So if you want to do this in the Apple Watch, because you can do this also on the iPhone, you want to go to the settings. Let me bring it closer a little. Autofocus, come on, it's working, nice. So you just want to click on the digital crown to go to the main menu and just search for the settings in the apps. And this is the settings icon, so let's just click on it. And now what you're gonna do is to go to General, just click, and to click on About. And here you're going to find these very important informations, the serial number, SEID, and whatsoever. Everything is going to be right here, and as you can see, here is the serial number. And if you have the GPS plus cellular, the IMEI number is going to be under the serial number. And also you can do this through the watch app on your iPhone, as I said before. So just go to the watch app and just click on the watch that you want to check specifically, because you can have a lot of watches connected to the watch app. Just make sure that you click on the watch itself, on the watch that you're interested about, and then go to General, just click on it, and then go to About. The same situation like on the Apple Watch. And now you're going to find the capacity, available version, model number, serial number, and if you have GPS plus cellular, you are going to have below the serial number the IMEI number again. So this is it. This is how you check the serial number and the IMEI number on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!